This video is about supplementary and complementary angles. Supplementary angles are angles that add up to 180 degrees, or their sum is 180 degrees. Alright? While complementary angles are angles that add up to 90 degrees. Their sum is 90 degrees. Alright? Let's look at some examples here. So our first example, it said find the value of x. Now if we look at it, we have three angles here, and all three angles on a straight line. Remember that angles at a point on a straight line are supplementary. And remember that supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. Alright? So all we need to do is add all three angles and equate it to 180. So it would be 80 degrees, which is this angle, plus 2x, which is this angle, this is an angle here, plus this angle here, which is 30, and that must equal to 180, because all three angles at a point on a straight line. So they are supplementary, meaning that they add up to 180. Okay? So this would be 2x plus 80 plus 30, that is 110. 110 degrees equal 180 degrees. Then of course, this is regular algebra. Alright? So we subtract 110 from both sides, and that would cancel. So this would be 2x equals 180 degrees minus 110 degrees, that is 70 degrees. And we divide both sides by 2. So x equals 35 degrees. Okay? Alright. And we could prove it. 80, let's prove it. So 80 plus 2x, that is 70, plus or 30 here, and indeed that is 180 degrees. Alright? Good. Let's look at example 2. Example 2. Now, in spite of the orientation of your diagram, look at it that we have four angles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and all four of them is on a straight line. So it goes back to the definition that angles at a point and a straight line are supplementary. So we're going to add all four angles and equate it to 180. Okay? So it would be 2x, which is this one here, plus 2x, which is that one there, plus 3x, which is this one, plus 2x, which is this one, and all of that must give us 180 degrees. Okay? So 2x plus 2x, that is 4x, plus 3x, that is 7x, plus 2x, that is 9x, equals 180 degrees. Okay? So we divide both sides by 9. So x equals 180 divided by 9, that is 20 degrees. So it said find the value of x. X equals 20 degrees. Okay? Alright. Now this one here, it says we should find, well, let's put the instruction here. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Okay? Now, if you look at it, we see that a right angle is formed. There are two angles, but both angles form to make a 90 degrees. Okay? And remember that complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. So it means that this would be these two angles would be complementary, meaning we should add them and equate it to 90. So it would be 55 degrees, which is this one, plus our x, and that must equal to 90 degrees. Okay? So we subtract 55 from both sides, and that goes. So x would equal to 90 minus 55, that is 35 degrees. Okay? And that would be our answer there. Alright, let's look at our final example. Our final example here says angles 5, 21, 37, and y are complementary. Okay? Find the value of angle y. Remember that complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. Okay? So we need to sum all four angles and equate it to 90 in order to find y. So it would be 5 plus 21 plus 37 plus y, and that will equal to 90 degrees. So it is this angle here, this angle here plus this angle here plus this angle here, and that must equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so let's see what all of this thing is. Alright, so let's grab our calculators just to be sure. So that is 5, which is this, plus 21 plus 37, and that equals to 63. So that is 63 plus y equals 90 degrees. Then we subtract 63 from both sides. So y equals, let's see, 90 minus 63, that's about 27. Okay, and that is 27 degrees. And that's how you find it. Alright, have a fantastic day.